Welcome back to Shaving Down Under. We have an unboxing from Macau and from a pretty reputable seller of razors who lives in Macau. Sells a lot of interesting razors, to be honest with you. I don't know which way is the right way in. We've got the Gillette scalpel again. Maybe this blade's getting a little bit, I don't know, just as I thought it was getting blunt, it slices through the cardboard and tape like butter. Well, maybe I should have been a surgeon. Yes, just the normal paperwork that comes with this sort of stuff. Alright, a few peanuts. Now this isn't a vintage razor, I'd be surprised to hear. Here we go. Let's put this scalpel away. Price tag of some sort. So I don't know too much about this, but I thought I'd buy it. Oh, lovely, had some blades thrown in, some Personas and Silver Blues. What have we got here? Oh, another blade, Merkur. No English. So obviously it's a Merkur. I can't remember the model of it. Price, it's brand new. The price came up at a good price point, so I thought I'd grab it. Does anyone else out there have this same razor? 3-piece. Pretty straightforward. I believe this is probably more of an entry-level razor, but I could be wrong. So somewhere down the track I'll pull this out and we'll have a shave with it and see how it performs, and we'll take it from there. Okay, a short and sweet one. And yeah, and these look interesting, very interesting. Actually, does anyone know anything about this Persona dispenser? Yeah, very interesting. Okay, people, thank you for joining in. And I do forget to say this often, but thank you for everyone who has subscribed to my channel since its inception. And so thank you for all the people who've stuck around as a sub, and thank you all to all the new subscribers that have come along in recent times. Cool. We'll chat shortly. Ciao for now.